one of my favorite memories in school was always recess. And I can always remember on the days that we got to school and it was raining. And that always made everybody in the class sad because we knew we couldn't go outside. And then one day I started thinking, why is it that our playground is made from sand? Everything around the playground was sand, but all the other soil around it had grass. Welcome with Minute with Mason. Today we are going to talk about soil particle sizes. We are going to talk about what makes up a soil and have a fun activity that we're going to do to show you how water filtrates through the soil. Our three main soil particle sizes that we have are clay, silt, and sand. Everybody remembers where we get our sand from. It's at the beach. And we have our clay usually in our Piedmont and mountain area. And the silt is a mixture that is found throughout our state. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our water and pretend like we had a rain. And you're sitting in class wondering if you're going to be able to go outside and play. And remember, our playgrounds are made from sand, and I wonder why that is. In the bottom of all these containers are holes, so we're going to see how quickly water filtrates down into them. If we want to start with sand, as you can see, it's already dripping. And that's because sand is the largest soil particle size. If you've ever been to the beach and tried to take sand and make it to a ball and have it stick, it just doesn't work. And that's because each piece of sand is so large that it doesn't bond and stick together. Likewise, if you've ever been in art class and tried to make something out of modeling clay, you've been able to roll it, make shapes, and other objects, and the clay will stick together. So our silt has started just a little to drip, but our clay is going to be dry. And the reason for that is silt is a mixture of the medium-sized particles, which means that water is able to filter it a little bit faster than clay, but not quite as fast as sand. Whereas clay is the smallest particle size, which we can't even see with our naked eye, and it bonds tightly together, which makes it hard for water to filter through. So, I want you guys to go home and take a look at your soil profile. Go in your backyard, with your parents' permission of course, dig a small hole, take the roots out, dig down about 3 inches, take a little bit of the soil, put it in a container, and then pour water into it. Let me know in the comment section below how long it takes for your water to filter through your container. So, if you ever wonder why our playgrounds are made of sand, it is so that not only when it rains does water filter through the sand faster and it dries out your playground, and you can get to playing faster. This has been Minute with Mason.